We're going to write the formula from the name, lithium fluoride. So I can look at some key features. Notice that this says IDE. That means that we have a monatomic anion. In other words, it's not polyatomic. That makes it easy for us. We just write down F for fluoride. We look on the periodic table. Remember, all of these have a -1 charge when they're monatomic anions. All of these have -2 as monatomic anions, so oxide, sulfide. These have -3 as a monatomic anion. If carbon is a monatomic anion, then you'd have a -4. So fluoride, F, with a -1 charge. We look over to find lithium. Remember, the cation is going to be written first. Now, lithium, when we're doing our cations, we have to remember some key things here. Your alkali metals, your alkaline earth metals, silver, zinc, and aluminum. These are all monovalent, meaning that they have one oxidation number, one charge. We do not need to use Roman numerals, and we will not have two names. So all these have a +1, all these have a +2. Silver is a +1, zinc is a +2, aluminum is a +3. So we're dealing with lithium right here, +1 charge. A lot of you can already see that we've got a 1-to-1 ratio, and you're already seeing that the formula is going to be LiF. But if you can't see that, you need me to balance the charges for you. Just separate your cation from your anion. Remember, positive charge is your cation, negative charge is your anion. Since you have a compound, your overall charge has to equal out to 0. So you look for your least common multiple here between +1 and a -1. Of course, that's going to be 1. So overall +1 minus an overall -1 will give you a 0. You need 1 times -1 to get a -1, and you need 1 times +1 to get a +1. And that's how I got LiF, lithium fluoride.